Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, all my classmates. My name is Alayna, a student of class 2E. Today I will tell you about my dream house project. So, as you all know, all living beings in this world need a shelter in their life because shelter gives us security and comfort. So, presenting you all my dream shelter means my dream house. So, this is my dream house made out of waste Amazon boxes and chart papers. This is a miniature model of my dream house. But when I will grow up, I will build the same house with my own hard-earned money. It is a pakka house made out of bricks, cement, concrete and iron rod. Pakka house is the strongest house. It can save us from any natural calamity. In my dream house, I can live with my loved ones and with my family. In my house, all rooms will be airy and bright because I will get many windows made inside my house. So natural air and light keep coming in every room. There also be a garden in front of my house because plants give us oxygen and it purifies the air. I will play in the garden, and when it rains or there is a storm, I will run inside my house to save me from rain or storm. In summer, my house will give me coolness, and in winter it will provide me warmth. When I will be very tired after coming from school, I will find rest and comfort only in my house. My house is my magical world. I love my house very much. Here I laugh